Today's dish and recipe is steamed morel mushrooms and egg. So this is a Chinese style water steamed egg, 水蒸蛋. Very much like exactly what its name is, where you're going to whisk together some water and egg and it turns into this delicious dish with the morel mushrooms I foraged from the forest. So today I'm really excited. We're going to make a steamed egg dish with the morel mushrooms that I foraged from the forest, green onion from my garden. And to know if it's a true morel mushroom, you're going to cut it in half and it's completely hollow in the middle. You need to soak it in a little bit of salt water to get rid of any bugs that it might have. So, yep, we're gonna make a steamed egg dish with these beautiful morel mushrooms that I foraged from the forest. One of the reasons I love mushroom hunting. You get some exercise and you get some nice, delicious, nutritious, natural wild edibles out there. When you get the ratio right, then it's nice and smooth and silky. So we're gonna do 4 eggs. Whether it's my children or myself, we love eating steamed egg. It's healthy, nutritious, and super quick and easy to prepare at home. Okay, so I'm just adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and of course adjust this according to your own preferences. I don't like it too salty, so I'm just gonna whisk that up. And I like using warm water because that just makes it extra smooth. I'm gonna whisk it up. We're going to now pour it into the steaming plate. If you don't have this kind of beaker, just scoop out the foam from the top. Basically, I'm just pouring it in really, really slowly so that it kind of blocks the foam from going in. So you can get that smooth consistency on the top. I've placed the egg in the steamer. I'm going to add the morel mushrooms. When you're steaming it, you're going to bring the water to a boil and then steam it with medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once your egg is ready, whoa, look at that. Beautiful. We're going to add some green onion. So sprinkle a little bit of green onion on top just to add some color. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of the seafood soy sauce. Adjust again according to your own preferences, but it's just going to add some flavor to your egg. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but of course any cooking oil works for this recipe. And we're just going to drizzle it on top. And that completes our steamed egg with morel mushrooms dish. Once you've added your seafood soy sauce, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and your extra virgin olive oil and green onion, we're just going to cover it briefly to cook the green onion. And it's ready to eat. So steamed morel mushrooms with egg. Let's see how this turned out. Wow. Jiggly, 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 wiggly. Oh, so good. So that's the middle of the egg. Wow, that texture is just gorgeous and beautiful. And we eat this with rice.
So good, this morel mushroom steamed egg. Adds so much umami flavor to the eggs. So delicious. I can't even describe it. Really one of my favorite spring mushrooms.